So this is a 2025 Ford Mustang GTD in the gray. If you've seen the video I did about a week ago, you would have seen that there was also a blue one. I instead went for the gray because I thought it just looked better. So let's hurry up and open it. I'll remove the backdrop. If you've seen the Costco video that I made, you would have seen that the prices on them were still $20. I'm surprised that they are, but I'm glad that they are. So this is the outside. Probably the closest thing I'll ever get to the real thing. What is that? Not sure what that is. So now let's remove the plastic and the rubber bands. Alright, so now let's open all the doors. We get the new interior with the 2 screens, and the steering wheel does also turn the wheels. This one does it a lot better, so that's nice. Even all the stuff on the steering wheel is colored. And then the door. So you can't open the trunk, which is I'd say a bit weird, but considering that it doesn't look like the spoiler moves, it's probably just something they had to do. So that's fine. But a little glass right there. That looks pretty nice. So the front, you have the Ford. So the engine looks really good, but I haven't seen any of the real engine, like any pictures of the real engine. What is all of this right here? Did someone drop spaghetti in it or what? But GTD. I'd say it's a decent engine bay, since really all you see is that, and then whatever this is right here. That's the engine bay. And the view from the passenger seat. Can't really see much. So let's hurry up and get it off the stand. So this is what the underside looks like. The name, the scale, the usual, although not a whole lot of detail on it, except the exhaust. It's a nice color. So there's that. So something you could see in the back glass. Not sure if you could see it on camera, but the suspension, which is pretty cool. And if you're wondering what the back glass shows, it just shows some radiators and radiator fans. So that's what you see out of the back. So now let's get it on the turntable. So that is a 2025 Mustang GTD in the gray. I'd say a pretty good looking car from the outside. The bronze rims, the gray, complement each other pretty nicely. And the interior, really modern. Don't like the real car. I don't like the screens as the dash. That's just not my favorite. I like the dials and all that, but to each their own. The car is pretty average. It looks really nice on the wall, on a shelf, or wherever you decide to put it. And let's just open all the doors. So now with all the doors open, you can see a little more of the engine bay and the interior. You can't open the back, I'm assuming because of the spoiler, because that doesn't move. So it is what it is, but it doesn't seem like there's much anyway, and if you wanted to, you could see it through the glass that's on the back. It's a pretty nice looking car, so for 20 bucks, honestly, it was a steal. So that's about it for this one.